Hey guys, this is Alive Hind and I'm here with Miraj Khan. Today I'm gonna show how to open an HP pendrive. For this I'm having an HP 8GB pendrive and this is an HP 32GB pendrive. This is my own actually, and a scissor to open further opening, and this is a pencil and you will use it later. Now let us start. This is HP pendrive. Now I am gonna apply some pressure to open this. Let's check. हाँ, अब ये खुल चुकी है. देखिए, आप जैसे देख सकते हैं खुल चुकी है. चारों तरफ से देख सकते हैं, अच्छे से देख सकते हैं इसे. अब चलिए मैं इसे भी कुछ खोलता हूँ. ये इसे हम ऐसे दबाते हैं यहाँ से ऐसे. ये अच्छा नहीं, यहाँ से नहीं खुलेगा. अब इसका सीजर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम. This made in Taiwan, and you can now open this. This is actually got opened. Now I can show you. You can see that this is open, fully open. Now I'm gonna show how to fix it. This is fixed here. Now let's check where to put it. That's like on correct path. Now let's fix this. This is and all done. Thanks for watching this video. So okay, thanks guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and whatever.